Stretch those arms out nice and straight. Nice and straight. Look at these bent up there. Perfect. Stick your belly up. And you're gonna lie. Oh, don't put your head underwater. Are you okay?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna lie on top of the water. Ready? So let's lie back. You were doing a really good job. Put your head back in the water. Put those ears in. And belly up nice and high. But just like you're laying on your bed. Put your head on my hands. Good job. And look up at the sky. Look up. Put your chin up. There we go. And you're gonna lie here for 10 seconds. Ready? Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we have 3 more seconds. Put your belly up. Good. 8, 9, 10. Good for you. Can you get up with those weights? Good job, Kate. Now you're going to kick your legs to those stairs with the weights. Are you ready? And 3, 2, 1, go. Good job. Good job. Good job. Keep kicking. Very good work. Almost there. One more time. Totally good. And you can let the weights go.